What is the advantage of doing your own stunts?
It shows on screen. It does show on screen. And if you're capable of doing it, why not?
Would you still do it now that you have a daughter?
Yeah, of course, because now it's very, very safe. I mean, though maybe I won't do so many things what I had done earlier. But
like riding on 2 motorcycles with your legs spread out.
Yeah, that needs a lot more practice also. I mean, though I did it in Golmaal, but there was no split in it.
Oh, you've done it in Golmaal?
Golmaal
the first one, of course you have. Yeah.
And this time Rohit put me on 2 Hummers.
You've got one leg on one Hummer and one leg.
Yes.
I cannot wait.
And again, if you ask Rohit, this time there was no harness. There was the Hummers were not tied up, so we had to balance that they're going right and things like this. So we did this time. Okay.
I don't want to think what happens if it went wrong. Ouch.
And neither do I.
Comedian.
I don't know about comedian. I'm not a comedian. I need a lot of support from my script, because I do not believe in that stupid slapstick thing. If the humor is not working and just get up and just make faces and try to make people laugh, I cannot do that.
Comedy is harder to do than intensity.
I don't think so. I don't think so. It's, as I told you, if not on page, not on stage. It has to be.
So it's about choosing the right script.
Choosing the right script, and when you're working at that scene, the intention is to make people laugh. Then you write it that way.
So for something like Golmaal, did you guys have a lot of ad-libbing and rehearsal and improvisation?
No, not rehearsals. No? But we did improvise. I mean, the script on its own was very funny. The situations were very funny. And you incorporate some things and timings and things like this. And very important is that the actor should have a rapport and should understand that it's the scene, not me myself. So if there's a punchline which is coming and that suits somebody else, you suggest, okay, why don't you say this?
You were the bigger star by far compared to Tushar and Shaiman and all the rest of them. Did it never feel unbalanced?
It's always when they show 4 friends and a hero, the other 3 are his chamchas. But what we want to do when they're 4 friends, they're 4 friends. And this time also in Golmaal Returns, it's when 4 of us are together, it's just we're playing our characters right.
But how do they not remain intimidated by your status? What do you do?
I think you hit that rapport and you make a comfort zone. And that's what we did in 1, and that's what we didn't need to do this time, because we were already comfortable.
National Award winner.
I think I've been very lucky to get the right kind of roles with the right kind of directors, because in fact in Zakham I remember that when he narrated me the script and when we were shooting and I told Vatsab and he was telling me, okay, you should do something like this and like this, like this. I said, Vatsab, I don't feel like doing anything. And are you okay with, because I feel so strong inside for the character and for the role and for the film or for the situation, can I just be and feel what I'm feeling? And he did not have the insecurity to say no. He said, okay, fine, I'm fine with it. Just be there.
My God.
And I was just there. So I give the credit to Mr. Mahesh Bhatt for the way he wrote it and the way he executed the whole thing and the way he made his actors feel what they're feeling.
And used that quiet intensity.
Exactly,
then, yeah.
exactly.
And for Bhagat Singh, because that's not something you can just do by saying, I'm going to...
No, you can't. Again, the preparation. Most of the preparation is done by Rajya. I'm a very lazy person.
I don't believe that.
I'm telling you, trust me, you can ask any of my directors. I'm the most lazy person, they will never see me doing a rehearsal also. I do something like this because I don't know myself what
Then you're very lucky, because then it just comes naturally to you.
No, you think about it. And again, Raji is somebody who will, during the day, will keep talking about the scene. Okay, today we're doing this. He'll keep performing. He's a great actor himself. So you start getting into the character without realizing.
Okay, next tag. Flirt.
Am I?
I don't know, I'm asking you.
If I am also, I wouldn't want to say it on camera. My wife will be watching this.
You could be flirting with your wife too. She probably knows you inside out.
But she complains I don't.
Oh, you don't flirt?
That's what she says.
Maybe not with her.
Maybe not with anybody.
Totally unsuccessful in removing your glasses or getting you to remove your glasses. Now, you're a big prankster.
I am really not. I don't know why people see. See, we have a lot of fun while working.
Bipasha also calls you Narad Muni.
Why did she call me that? Yeah,
well, I don't know. Tell me.
Yeah, I think she got late on shooting, and we were shooting for Rabaran. And Mr. Prakash was getting very hassled and things like that. In fact, she should know that it's not being Narad Muni. It was like I eased out the situation.
Oh.
And he was getting a little hassled and things like that. I was like, don't worry. And we organized a band and things like this because we were shooting in Shatara Vai, and we could find the people
Like a shadi band.
Shadi
a wedding
band with
yeah.
people dancing and things like this. So when she arrived, we started the band and everybody started dancing that Bipasha has arrived. So it went off in humor.
You
It was a lot of
talented
fun.
her.
Yeah, we did. You're spending more time with your unit members than your family. And within 3 or 4 days, you would want to run away from work back home if you're not having fun.
Have you
enjoy
always
your
had
work.
fun in your films?
Always.
Always. There's never been an experience
it could
where
be the
you go,
most.
why the hell did I do this?
Could be the most. No. I have. I've had. I mean, I've gotten stuck with wrong units, and maybe 1 or 2 people, not the whole unit being wrong.
So describe like a really bad
I don't want to, without
experience or
taking
a bad-
names, but so many times when you do films, and you thought of a certain way the film will be shot and will shape up, and within the first 2 days you realize, okay, you made a mistake. Okay, this film is not going where you thought would go, and the attitude of the producer or the director is not just to make a good film, it's just to make money and just to make
And then
a setup
what do you do?
and things like
Because you
this.
still have
You're
to
committed.
do it.
You're committed. You get it over with, and somewhere down the line, deep inside, you disown it. Most of my colleagues, they still think that okay, the film is not going right. At least my work should be right. I have a problem. And when you see the film is not good, you will see that I'm also not good in the film.
Because you just don't care about it then.
I
getting
just
it done.
disconnect.
Do you then become difficult for that film also? Like don't give
I
dates
don't.
or whatever. You just want to get it done.
Then I finish that film as soon as possible because I want to get it out of my system.
And how would you rate yourself as a director?
I don't know. I mean, that's what the audience has to decide.
Do you think you could have made that film with anyone but Kajal?
Very difficult for anybody else to perform. Not that I'm running anybody down, but then I would have written. When you write your film, you write it according to the character in mind. You know who's going to play it.
What's the hardest part about directing her and easiest part about directing?
I think because she delivers whatever and more than what you've written, so I don't think it's difficult at all.
You never got angry with her as a director?
Not with her, but generally on the sets you used to get, I mean, to coordinate things, you used to lose your temper, but not exactly.
If you had to do it differently, the film, how would you or would you not?
I would get,
retrospect.
I would get more secured, and instead of trying to make a commercial film also, I would have stuck to what I had felt and just, stuck to the second half part of the film, and not try to make it commercial also, so I divided the audience up.
Do you feel that there you compromised a little bit for...
Compromise in the sense is, there was, I think, a certain insecurity that you should make it very commercial also.
As a Sikh, does that title sit well with you?
As a Sikh,
Yeah. As a Sardar. You are, right?
I am a Punjabi. Yeah, my grandfather was a Sikh. I love what I am, and at home we only speak Punjabi. I mean, not with Kajal and.
Do you speak Bengali with her?
No, I don't.
You don't speak a word of Bengali?
No. So with my father and my mother, I do speak Punjabi, and I love the language.
Are you religious?
In a way, yes, but to an extent. I mean, I do believe in the superpowers and things like this. I pray every day, but I won't do stupid things also.